Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today I'm here on my bench this Friday, and I got here what I'm doing at the moment. Okay, so I got here the Lagerta from Cotton, and this is the things I'm doing now. I'm struggling with the eyes, okay, and working in some of the leather here on these busts, okay, and of course lots and lots of works on the hair. So this is one of the things I am doing. So let's put this beside here. This is one of the figures I am doing in time, and I'm going to start working on the red and start making the highlights on the figure. Okay, I got here the other one I'm doing earlier too, so lots and lots of work with the greens. This one too, so and more work to do. This one's it was on the floor and broke, so I glue it, and now I'm going to start again painting, and as you can see right there, so it broke lots, even the fingers too, and it was a shame, so I grab again and start again. So this one, it's from Bestiarium, and I start painting the flesh and the clock. Sorry. And it's one of the things I'm doing too. This one I put the pictures some days ago, and it's almost ready, as you can see, and it's going to be for a little vignette. So I'm going to put this one fighting, where it is, this one, right, this one, and as you can see it's a Goliath thing, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, I printed this one, so this is from Eugene. It's an angel, and I like it a lot, so I'm going to have this right there for painting. Hello Snore, how are you, my friend? Oops, yes. Sometimes it's Jabba the butt. Nice one. And of course here it is, the wings. It's going to be on the figure too. So this is the things I am doing with the figures at the moment, and I got the Oats more right here. I got here another big one, so it's going to be for another thing, and more that I show the other day. From guys who knows and wants what I do with the tanks, here it is. So this is the thing I'm going to start painting on this weekend, and it's going to be this one. I'm going to use maybe these sets. Okay, I'm going to see the right colors for this, and I got here, let me show you, this candle. This candle is from AK, and as you can see there are lots of holes where you put the pins on this, and for some figures like this it's a little complicated. So what I am doing at the moment, I am printing on my PLA printer right here. Okay, so I'm printing one base with lots of holes. I think it's 6 holes on this for putting here, and when I screw this one, it's going to be stuck. And because the resin figures, if you glue with super glue. Okay, on PLA it's really easy to remove it. Okay, so let's try this and test this one. It's really good. So, and of course, this is my thinner at the moment. It's a thinner from the club, right? You can see here, and the Portuguese can see what it's writing on this. So this is the thinner I use for the painting. And of course, one more time to thanks to Javier Molina for this one, this water station. This is really nice, and it's really good. Greek vodka? No. This is in Portuguese aguardente. It's very strong. It's more strong than vodka. This is very strong. My Spanish friends, when I go to Spain, I give them, and they like it, and they say this is really, really, really strong. Alright? So, this is the things I'm doing. On the weekend I'm going to put some photos and some progress what I do. So, if you guys have any questions about anything, so just ask me, okay? And have a great weekend, and I see you on the next video. Bye guys!